Tired of finding more hair on your pillow than on your head? You're not alone. Hair loss can feel like a major system failure, leaving you feeling frustrated and self-conscious. But just like a software update can optimize your system, innovative technologies are now optimizing hair growth. Welcome to the future of hair care, where technology is unlocking a new era of precision and personalized treatment. On Vidozo, we're diving deep into the world of hair loss technology. From AI-powered diagnostics and laser therapy to stem cell treatments and personalized hair care regimens, we'll explore the cutting-edge solutions that are helping people reclaim their confidence. Low-level laser therapy, LLT, stimulates hair growth by increasing blood flow to the follicles. This non-invasive treatment uses red light wavelengths to penetrate the scalp, energizing cells and promoting hair growth. Microneedling creates tiny punctures in the scalp, promoting collagen production and improving nutrient delivery. This process enhances the absorption of topical treatments, making them more effective. Artificial intelligence is also revolutionizing hair loss treatment. AI-powered tools can analyze your scalp images, identify patterns of hair loss, and even recommend personalized treatment plans. Smart hair care devices can track your hair health, monitor scalp conditions, and even deliver personalized treatments. Imagine a hairbrush that not only detangles but also provides real-time feedback on your hair's condition. Let's hear from Naeem, who has experienced firsthand the benefits of these technological advancements. Insert brief testimonial from Naeem. And here's another Naeem who found success with a different approach. Insert brief testimonial from another Naeem. So, if you're ready to hack hair loss and unlock a healthier, fuller head of hair, stay tuned. We'll guide you through the exciting world of tech-driven solutions and help you find the right approach for your unique needs. In the next episode, we'll delve deeper into stem cell therapy for hair loss. Don't miss it. And don't forget to subscribe to Vidozo for more tech-focused health and wellness content. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who may be experiencing hair loss. Leave a comment below and tell us, have you tried any of these tech-driven hair loss solutions? Share your experience and let's discuss. And for a limited time, the first 100 subscribers to our channel will be entered into a draw to win a free consultation with a hair loss specialist. Don't miss this opportunity to get expert advice tailored to your needs.